guys, welcome to Flutter Next Level. My name is Amadre, and in the last part we did a great job. We integrated the Tesla Model S as a 3D model, and also we simulated a driving behavior. We can change the background in Unity, and we can rotate the model. Alright, but now let's go deeper in a more fragmented model, the Tesla Cybertruck, and then we will go and open the doors and open the trunk, and also we will create a custom shadow for this. So we don't have any shadows here, so we have to do it on our own, but it's really quick. So let's dive in. Alright, now you can see here, this is our model that we are going to use, and the texture here is also looking very great. And you can see also here, this could be Blender, which parts are rigged, which parts can be moved, and how the trunk is going to be opened, or can be opened. Yeah, right. I've purchased this and the Roadster and downloaded everything, but if you're going to download it on CG Trader, make sure to download the FBX file, and if you like, also download the Cybertruck rig.blend file. This file looks like this. Here you have the rig parts, what can be moved around, and so on. And one little hint, if you download everything, then you will get this source, okay, plus the texture. Alright, texture is this one, so we have to find a way to align it correctly in the FBX object file. And at the end I also downloaded the FBX file on itself. Alright, good. By the way, you can find this project in Unity Tesla Cybertruck on GitHub. The last project was also uploaded as a repository, so you will find everything in the related links in the description. Next one. In Unity, we were this far that we got a Model S scene, created a prefab for that, and saved all of this in one file to use it again. And what we are going to do now, we're gonna open this with Reveal in Finder and go into the resources folder to prefab, copy this and rename it to Cybertruck scene. Great. After this is done, we have a copy of it. We double click this, and now we can replace the Model S with the Cybertruck and also create the custom shadow for it. Great, good. First we can completely delete this object. Next we're going to Resources 3D Models, and in this folder also Reveal in Finder. So we can also go in here and copy this in here, and we need also the textures. Maybe let's create a new folder, Cybertruck, and copy this here. That's too long. Let's just name it Reflective Brushed. Perfect. Alright, now after the resources are reloaded from the disk, perfect, we got the 3D model. Now let's import it. Alright, not bad. The predefined materials in that FBX file are already very good, and maybe we can use some of them and don't need to edit any of them. Alright, after we have aligned the model, let's add some material. Maybe we can use one of them also for the Cybertruck, like the windows. Yeah, not bad. Great. Very good. And now let's have a look for the material for the body. No, let's create a new folder. We also call it Cybertruck. And create in here the body. Alright. For the body, we got a texture, reflective brushed, right? We have to see how we can achieve the best results. Okay. Now the lights doesn't fit to the brush texture. Come on. Okay. Yeah, you can see it here. There is actually no texture, but maybe we will find a good texture. Alright, now for the texture, we just pick these blinds and let's have a look. Yeah, we have to scale it down a little. Oh, and the y-axis. Yes. Perfect. Great. Looks good. So, first things first, the shadow. For the shadow, one thing, just go ahead and take the shape of the car, and with the shape you can create easily in Photoshop or other software with a Gaussian blur, a really realistic shadow. Alright, let's do it. Alright, here we got the shape. You have to paint it all black. Alright, here you see. And if you did that, go into filter and add the Gaussian blur. Let's do 10 pixels. Yeah. How is 15 pixels looking like? Yeah. Already very good. Yeah, let's take it. Let's take 15. Let's do 12. Alright. After that, just go to export as a PNG. Everything's correct. And now create the related material for that. Let's call it shadow, or we can copy this. Oh, let's go again, reveal finder, copy that, put it in here, say yes, replace, and just change this one. Should be this. Perfect. And for the plane, I think we can go ahead, create a plane. Perfect. Alright, after we've finished the shadow, let's go back in our scene, save all changes,